Hello and welcome to Futopia. Today I am here at the town of Monroe boat rental. I'm not gonna rent a boat. I am just gonna take a few pictures of the place before it opens because I thought it was a good idea, even though it's not ideal at 11:55 a.m. to take pictures of this place because obviously it's gonna be a little bit overexposed, but I really don't care. I'm gonna go at it anyways and see if I can make the best of it or the most of it, and let's go. Okay, so over here this is the boat rental itself. Let's just walk and explore the different angles. Just look at this beautiful place over here. I think I'm gonna use this angle, or if not, go over here to take a picture. But definitely I will have to revisit this place in the afternoon. I definitely gotta visit this place in the afternoon so I can take some good pictures in proper lighting of the of the sunset and maybe of the sunrise. So let's just walk over here. Okay, let's explore different angles. I think this is definitely a good angle. Maybe so I want to take a picture of that boat rental. So maybe I'm gonna get behind that tree and get a cool photo of the rental place with benches and lake together. Yeah, a lot of cool pictures. The thing is that just because you're in your hometown doesn't mean that you can't get great pictures. There are a lot of angles and places to explore, and that's what I'm here to do today. So I hope that you enjoy this video. I'm gonna show you the pictures after the video, and if you like it, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay, goodbye.